It's another road trip to the UK. Today's, or rather this weekend's, car isn't a rental, it's my future son-in-law's. We've got a rather lovely Polestar 2. This needs a wash, admittedly, but hey, yeah, this is the 82 kilowatt hour battery, 310 kilowatt hour four-wheel drive one. Brief look around the outside. Personally, I like the way they do the styling on these. I think they look very distinctive. Give a quick look in through the window before we get inside, do some driving impressions. So, not as minimalist inside as some, but still with a good screen. Automatically links to the phone as well, which is always helpful. So, CarPlay on the go. All good. Driving impressions coming up. So here's a bit more detail on the Polestar. The keys are rather funky with the buttons on the side. This one's already unlocked, so it's not going to do anything fancy when I come up to it. It's nicely appointed inside. It's had a short driver in it. Just going to pull it back so that I can get my large tummy behind the wheel. And here we are, very nicely appointed. Nice centre screen, not too big, not too small, links in automatically. We've got a wireless charging pad down here. It's all very, very nicely appointed. Nice and tactile. Decent cup holders. Nice big bottle holder in the centre console there. Pockets in the doors and stuff. So nice little things like the air vents have a metal coating on them. Just makes it a lot more civilized to be in. And acceptable amount of space in the back too. It's all pretty good. Just gonna have a quick show you. Yeah, I know the bonnet's open, I've just opened it. Find the safety catch, there we go. So we've got a decent enough sized frunk, obviously with the windscreen washer and the whole full service access point, ha. Nice double catches on the bonnet as well, which obviously a lot more secure than the more routine single catches. Boot one's quite interesting though, it's got a button to release it, but the button's way down here. When you know, you know. To close it, got a rather clever close and lock button, as well as the regular close button. So again, decent sized boot with a really nice hidden cubby area, but a nice parcel shelf over the luggage area too. So yeah, all very good. Gonna press close and lock, and then I don't have to be doing any more. There we go, done and dusted. I rather like that close and lock button. It's very clever thinking. The mirrors have tucked themselves away automatically too, so all good.